Update for the dangerous person alert issued by the Melfort RCMP for multiple stabbings on James Smith Cree Nation. Suspects are Damian Sanderson and Miles Sanderson. Damian Sanderson is 5'7" and 155 pounds, black hair, brown eyes. Miles Sanderson is 6'1" and 200 pounds, black hair, brown eyes. If in the area, seek immediate shelter in place. Use caution allowing others into your residence. Do not leave a secure location. Do not approach suspicious persons. Do not pick up hitchhikers. Report suspicious persons, emergencies or information to 911. Do not disclose police locations.